So, all right, this is flip 2. Okay. Now, let me show you how to enter a trade. Very, very simple, so that you will not be complicating your trade. Okay, this is very simple. Look at it. Just know how to pronounce this. I've said this in countless time. It's telling you buy. You focus on the buy. It's telling me to buy flip 2. Okay, all I need to, this software is complex. You have a lot of features in the app. Your own is to make sure you focus on the AI aspect. Just click on WL. Sorry, click on the inbuilt chart, which is Forex. Look at it. Click on the inbuilt chart. You see this calculate KL is a function on its own. You see this one is a function on its own. Check rate is a function on its own. These are built for professional traders, people that want to do manual analysis, that want to do it. Those are the people who come here, not the AI. The AI as what is more advanced than me doing my own analysis by myself. But all these things are here because we have professional traders in the building. Do you understand? Sometimes I go into my professional mode. If I want to play around, I do some analysis using all these things. You understand? But what we are promoting is the AI that will help you to analyze the market with an accuracy of close to 90%. Because if me, I want to do my analysis, I may make mistake. My emotions might come in. Do you understand? I will just make small mistake. And once I make that small mistake, it will affect everything I do. So that is why we are telling you, stick to the AI. If it tells you buy, buy. What you are focusing on, leave this guy alone. Leave this one. It's for pro traders. Leave this one alone. Leave this one that I'm canceling. Leave all this one alone. Focus, click on settings. Now, first thing first, you load your flip 2. I'll click, I load my flip 2. My chart has come up. I have load. Make sure you're seeing the name here. It's not difficult. Make sure you're seeing the name. Either you're doing Forex, you're doing well trade, you're doing derivative synthetic. Make sure you target the inbuilt chart. Very simple. So I'll come here. I've loaded my pair. This is my chart. The next thing I need to look now, I want to bring out the key level. I will click settings. I click settings. Once I click settings, my job, it is very simple. We are targeting week 1, week 2, and week 3. This one is our current weekly key level. This one is last week key level. This is last 2 weeks key level. We want to make sure that price is below 80%. Price has not touched any key level at all. Do you understand? Let me explain this thing again. Price has not touched any key level at all. This is what for professional traders. Leave it alone. This one is for professional traders. Okay, leave it alone. This one is for professional traders. Leave it alone. Your goal is to check WL. Let me write it. WL1 and WL2. That's all. Don't make things too complex for yourself. Only these 3 things. That is what you are expected to check. So I'm going to start with what? WL, which is this. What am I looking for? I want to see if the number is less than 80. I come here. Okay, as you can see, when you see NA, please take note. Stop. This thing is not hard. When you see NA, it means that price has broken this level. Price has passed it, so it's not going to calculate it again. I'll show you. This is support 1. This is support 2. This is support 3. Price has passed them. This is support 1, resistance 1. Then this is resistance 2. Price is what? Above it. Price is not above it, so it's got to calculate. This support 2 is above the price, so it will calculate it because it's moving up. This is resistance 3. Price, the resistance 3 is above it, so it's going to calculate. So I'm going to click this. Once I click this, I'll be able to see that. Look at it. This is flip 2. Okay, it's telling me to buy. This is, look at it. This is support. Let me press it so that you see. This is support 3. Price don't pass am. This is support 2. Price don't pass am. This is support 1, price don't pass. This is support 1, price has passed it. So the next target now that is above the price is this and this. So he's going to calculate it and check the distance for you. That is exactly what he just did. Look at it. That's exactly 34 and 24. Is 34 below 80? Yes. Is 24 below 80? Yes, because it's still far. Now let's check the next key level. Let's check L1. As you can see, the same thing. Price has passed. It has passed. Just with your eye, you just scan. Look for the number. 26 is below 80, 16 is below 80, 12 is below 80. Simple as ABCD. So this one is clear. Look at it. It will generate it for you again. So price came from all this place, here, 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 broke this level, targeting this, targeting this, targeting this. As you can see, so it's going to calculate this, calculate this, calculate, and all of them are below 80, meaning price has not touched them yet. Simple as ABCD. Then the last key level, look at it, last key level. I'll click this. Okay, as you can see, price is just getting started. As you can see, we have what? Resistance what? We have resistance 3. We have resistance 2. We have resistance 1. We have support 3. We have support 2. We have support 1. This thing is very simple. Now, before I open the chart for you, make sure that any number you're seeing here is less than 80. You have to take it. Now, you'll be wondering, we are buying and it's still showing me a support level. Now, one thing you need to understand is that we have a static support. We have a static resistance. Do you understand? Once price break any static support, this thing, that's why you need to have the basic, but the system has already broken down everything for you. So there is no need for you to be thinking too hard. Just make sure this number you're seeing, all of them are what? Less than 80. Even if you're seeing it from support, you're seeing it for resistance. Let me explain it for you. Now let's open it so that we'll see. As you can see, look at it. Price is coming from the bottom. You see it? Before price came to the bottom here, price has broken all this level downward. Now it's already at the bottom. You want to start breaking all this level up, and these are our static resistance. The green is our static resistance, the red is our static support. And the rules of trading is that if price breaks a static support, breaks it downwards, if it's coming from the bottom again, you will see this static support as a resistance. That is what he's saying. That is why he's calculating this for you. Because this line is above it. So you need to break this barrier to come to this next level. So it's a resistance to him. But this is a static support. As you can see, it's a static support. But technically, this is what is a resistance now, because price broke it, came down. Before you have to break it again, you have to break this resistance. Do you understand? Because he broke it from here. That is what he's calculating. Price broke it downward here, broke all the level, the support downward. Now he want to move backward again. So as he's going back, he will encounter this previous support, which now turned to a resistance. This thing no hard. If you understand resistance and support, you will be having issues with it. This now turned to what? A resistance. This is not a resistance, 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 because you have to break all this level. That is why it's giving you the calculation for what? Support, which is 30%, support 50%. This one he has broken it. Look at it. This is support 3. Look at support 3 here. Look at it. This is support 3. Price has broken it, so it does not have any business to calculate it again. Price has broken this level, so he does not have any business calculating it again. The only level that he will calculate is the one above it, which is this previous static support, now a resistance. Is going to calculate it. This one again is previous support, which is now a resistance. All these things I'm telling you just for you to understand. You don't need to stress yourself. Just look at the number. What number are you saying? Is this thing less than 80? Yes. Is this 50 less than 80? Yes. What is this? NA, price don't pass up, you jump. This one 17, is it less than 80? 13, is it less than 80? 11, is it less than 80? You go and take your trade. Simple as ABCD. So once you're done with this, the next thing you need to do is come here and click this alert. Click it, and it will tell you now. He has programmed it to tell you when to exit your trade. Simple as ABCD. That's why I told you we hardly hit SL, because we have a tool that will tell us when to close with minimal loss. We don't just hit SL outrightly. It will tell us when to close with what? Minimal loss. So you just click this. Simple as ABCD. It will notify. So once you're done with that, if you look at your history, you check if you are still having any pending trade that the AI is looking out for you to close, that you've closed on your MT5. You can see I don't have any other trade running. It's only flip 2 that I have. So that is what I will allow. Immediately I close this flip 2 in my MT5, I'll come here and close it again. Simple as ABC. Now look at my chart. I'm still on the trades. Very simple. Do you understand? Very, very simple. So that is how you trade. Very, very simple. You don't need to make anything complex for yourself. Just take the trade, check one or two, and you take your trade. Simple as that. You don't need to do too much. We've done all the job for you. Your job is to check, read this, and check the key levels. Simple as A, B, C, D. Thank you for your time.